Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use this product. So, let's get started. The first step is to download the app. You can search it on App Store or Android Market, or scan the QR code below. Before using the product, I recommend charging it first. Don't forget to turn off the camera while charging. Insert a TF card. Pay attention to the direction of the TF card. Turn on the camera. If you want to use the camera for a long time, please connect it to the power supply. Turn on the camera. Then wait 20 seconds until you can search for the camera's Wi-Fi. Open your phone's Wi-Fi list, find and connect to it. Then open the app. Click the plus button on the top right of the screen. Congratulations, you finished the P2P mode. You can use the camera through app. But, if you want remote view, you need let the clock's Wi-Fi hook up your home Wi-Fi. Click the Here button. Advanced Config. Wi-Fi Config. Choose your home Wi-Fi hotspot and enter your home Wi-Fi password. The device will reboot. Wait 1 minute and the configuration is complete. You will find that the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot has disappeared. Just click indicator light switch button. It will close the indicator light. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the indicator light off. Don't forget to delete the camera in your app camera lists. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us with any questions.